If T-Mobile 5G is not working, first check for outages using the T-Mobile app, website at tmobile.com/outage, or Down Detector. Confirm it's not a widespread issue before diving deeper. If localized, it might be tower maintenance or signal interference. Next, ensure your phone is 5G compatible, supporting bands like N41 for mid-band or N260 for mmWave. Inconsistent speeds, averaging 100 to 500 Mbps in urban areas, are often due to device compatibility or network congestion. A simple first step: toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Make sure location services are enabled to connect to the best local tower. If 5G is still not working, focus on your SIM or eSIM and APN settings. For eSIMs, restart your device and ensure the eSIM profile is correctly installed via the T-Mobile app. Physical SIMs should be checked for damage or replaced if needed. For APN settings, T-Mobile's default fast.tmobile.com is generally effective. On Android, find APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. For iOS, toggling airplane mode usually resets this, but contact T-Mobile support for specific APN issues. For more help, visit the T-Mobile community forums for troubleshooting guides specific to your device model.